Hello guys, good afternoon. So today we will discuss about if, else, and else if condition. So to start this tutorial, you have to control N using div C++. So you have to put this on your first line, include IOStream, and then the second line you have using namespace std, and then the int main, open and close parentheses, then curly brackets. So first, we declare a variable, the line number 4, using data type integer. Like for example, grade is equals to 74.5. So yan yung basis natin, yan yung value natin. Okay, so we'll have if condition first, and then open and close parentheses. So if condition will work only if your condition is true. Okay, yung if natin, pag true lang yung condition na siniset natin dito sa loob. So tatawagin natin yung variable na grade dyan sa taas, greater than or equal to 74. Okay, we'll try 74.5. So that means ang ilalabas ng compiler dito is pass. Okay, and then or less than, okay, palitan natin, less than or equal to 74.4 na lang. Ito yung basis natin sa if condition natin. So palitan natin siya, gawin natin siyang failed. And then yan yung first condition natin sa loob ng if. Pag magdagdag ka pa ng another condition, so you have to use else if dito. Okay, open and close parentheses, then curly brackets. So para maka-create tayo ng another condition, else if guys, almost the same with the if condition yung function niya. Mag-work lang yun siya pag true yung condition na ginawa natin dito sa loob ng curly brackets natin. So again, tatawagin natin yung grades greater than or equal to 74. Like for example, 74.5. You can use also and kung gusto nyo. And pwede din kayo gagamit ng or. Okay? Or grades is less than or equal to 80. Okay? Or 79.4. Okay, so that means pag abot yung value natin sa 79.4, so ang i-display ng compiler is ito yun siya. Ito yung i-display ng compiler. Pass yung i-display niya. Okay? Then after that, we will create another condition. So dagdag naman tayo ng else if dito guys, para magkaroon tayo ng another condition. And then gagawa tayo ng another condition dito. Grade is greater than, or we will try first. Okay, i-test muna natin before tayo mag-continue. Tingnan natin if mag-work na yung dalawang ano natin. So wala tayong else dyan guys. Okay, so save muna tayo, Control S to save. Try natin dito. sa summer. Else if condition. Then, save. And then, punta tayo sa execute, compile, and run, or press F11 guys to test or to run your program. So, we'll see. Ayun, so nakikita niya, failed yung lumabas guys. So, bakit yun siya failed yung lumabas? Kasi, ito yung, ano niya, true. Okay? Ito yung nakikita niya na true condition, which is grade is greater than. So, less than 4. Less than 74.4 man yung giset natin dito. Yan siya pag given na yung value ng grades natin. So, example pa lang yan siya. So, pag palitan natin to siya guys, gawin natin siyang like for example, yung input natin, palitan natin, gawin nating 77. So, try to run your program. Ayun, so pass yung lumabas. Kasi nag-iba yung input natin dun sa task or yung value ng grades. So, kanina, dito binasa ng compiler kasi ito yung nakikitang true. So, pagdating niya dito, wala siyang nakikita na true dito kanina. So, since nagbago yung value ng grades natin, ito yung nabasa ng compiler na nagiging true. So, that means either or sa kanilang dalawa ang babasahin niya. So, pag binasa dito ng compiler, greater than or equal, so, pag mataas daw dito, or pareho, the same value dito, so, babasahin niya yung, or i-display niya ng compiler yung pass. Pero, or, ang grades daw, less than, bababa sa 74.5, okay, we'll try, 79 rather, 79.5. So, wala dyan sa value sa kanila. So, less than man siya. Pero ito siya, greater than. So, wala pa tayong ano dyan. Wala pa tayong limitation sa greater than na nilagay natin dyan. So, try natin siya i-execute, compile, and run. So, pass pa rin guys. Kasi nakikita niya yung condition dito, which is greater than. Okay? Greater than. Yung inanyan niya. Hinahanap niya. Which is dito 79.4, which is greater than na siya dapat dito. Okay? So, pwede nyo din lagyan dito guys ng and. Ito yung symbol ng and natin. Okay? Try natin. Execute, compile, and run. So, pass pa rin siya. So, that means true yung nagiging condition natin dito guys. So, yan. Continue tayo. You can remove this one, okay? Para lagyan natin siya ng limitation. So, gagawin natin siyang like for example, 74.5 or less than 80 or 80 or 79.5. Okay? Less than or equal to 79.5. So, hanapin niya ito yung i-display ng compiler. Okay? So, another condition, else if, open and close parentheses, cout tayo, and double quote kung ano yung i-display ng compiler. But don't forget to put a semicolon after the end of your statement. So, another condition here, tatawagin natin yung variable na grade is equal to less than or equal. So, dapat may equal sign tayo or pwede din siya less than lang. So, that means hindi siya abot kung ano yung value na nilagay natin dito pag less than lang. Like, for example, 85. So, that means hanggang 84 lang siya kasi less than lang man. Pag may equal, aabot yun siya hanggang 85 yung equal or equivalent value na para sa kanya. Okay? So, ang ipapalabas niya dito is pass, then good. Yan. Then, next, another condition. So, try natin guys. Ang value ng grades natin is 79.5. Try natin i-execute natin siya, compile and run. Tingnan natin kung ano yung result. So, pass pa rin siya, guys. Okay? Kasi the same value. Okay? 79.5 siya dito. So, dapat, ano siya, ito siya hanggang 4 lang, 79.4. Kasi pag 79.5, i-round off yun siya, magiging 80 man yun siya. So, dapat dito na siya, less than, good na siya. So, we'll try again. Compile and run. Ayun. So, pass pa rin. Wait. Less than. Okay, sorry. So, maybe our data type, we will change that one into double kasi decimal number kasi ito siya eh. So, that means kahit may yung integer, ito lang yung binabasa niya, yung whole number. Yung ito, hindi na. Okay? And that's why, pass pa rin yung binabasa niya kasi the same number sila dito ng 79. Okay? So, we'll try again. Execute, compile, and run. Double yung data type na ginagamit natin. Ayun. So, good yung lumabas, guys. Okay? Kasi hindi niya nababasa yung decimal number na nilagay natin kanina kasi we're using integer data type. Now, we will have another condition else if rather, then the grade is less than or equal, okay, less than or equal to 90. So that means ang ipapalabas ng compiler, that will be good, very good. Ayan, very good yung lalabas pag less than. So that means from 85 to 90, in between that number, ang ilalabas ng compiler is yung very good. Okay? So, next, another one. Else, if another condition tayo, grades or grade is less than or equal to 100. Okay, try natin. 100 point, okay, 100.4. Okay, hindi na siya dapat abot sa 100.5 kasi round off natin siya, that will be 101. So, ito yung ilalabas ng compiler natin. Excellent na yun siya. Okay? So, we'll try, guys. We'll try. So, try natin i-change yung value ng grades natin dito kasi dito, ito sila lahat. Hinahanap lang niya kung ano yung magiging value dito sa taas ng variable sa grades natin. Okay? Gumawa tayo ng condition dito sa if, tapos another condition. Kung ano yung value dito sa taas, hahanapin niya ng compiler. Babasahin niya every condition na meron tayo. Like for example, 80 or 89, yung value ng grades. So, yung compiler, mag-start yun siya magbasa dito sa if condition natin. So, paghanap niya dito, which is false ang condition kasi malaki ang value ng grades natin dito kaysa 74.5. So, hindi niya to i-display. So, yung compiler, bababa naman siya sa another condition. So, babasahin naman niya dito. Pag nakita niya yung the same value dito, so, ipapalabas na yung pass. So, since yung value ng grades natin is 89, which is not the same or greater than with this number, so, hindi to ipapalabas ng compiler. Then, the compiler will proceed to the next condition. Then, babasahin naman niya yung variable na grades kung mahanap niya dito or less than 85. So, ayun. So, wala pa rin. They're not the same. So, 89 yung value ng grades natin at saka dito sa condition is 85. So, ang good na result supposed to be, hindi yan siya i-display ng compiler. So, the compiler will proceed to the next condition. Okay? Else if condition. Kasi true lang yung hinahanap niya dito. So, dito guys, grade is less than or equal to 90. So, definitely, 89 is less than sa 90. So, ito dapat ang babasahin ng compiler natin. Ito dapat ang i-display ng compiler. So, since pag nakita na niya dito yung true na value, denied na yung nasa baba, guys. Hindi na yan niya i-continue babasahin ng compiler. So, try natin guys kung very good ba yung magiging result natin. Ayan. So, ayun, very good yung result natin guys. Kasi nakita niya dito na true yung condition, this part. Ito. True. Kasi the value of grade is 89, which is less than or equal to 90. So, mababa ang 89 kaysa 90. So, pag design yan sila, 90. So, dito pa rin yan siya mahulog kasi may equal sign tayo dito. Okay? They're the same number. Okay? So, yun yung ilpapalabas ng compiler kung saan may makikita siyang true na condition. And then, the next part, excellent. What if ang grades natin is umabot hanggang 102? Okay? So, yan yung basis natin, yan yung value ng grades. So, definitely, wala yan siyang magiging result kasi ang condition natin dito sa last if, else if natin is less than or equal to 100.4. Okay? So, try natin kung may result ba na lalabas. Compile. So, wala. Empty. Walang lumabas dito, guys. Kasi wala siyang nakikita sa lahat ng condition natin, wala siyang nakikita na true. So, pag ganun, dito na natin magagamit yung else na condition natin. So, yung else dito, automatic, okay? Yung else natin, pag walang nababasa ang compiler dito, lahat ng sa true, automatic, the compiler will display kung ano yung nasa laman ng else natin. Cout, double quote, ended by semicolon, invalid. Ayan, invalid grades tayo. Ayan. Yun. So, try natin guys ha. Ayan, invalid grades. So, try natin kung lalabas yan siya kasi pinara natin kanina, the value of our grades is 102 and our condition, last condition is grade is less than or equal to 100.4. So, try natin, execute, compile, and run. Ayun, so invalid grades ang lumabas kasi wala siyang nakikitang from if to down, wala siyang nakikitang true na condition. So, pag wala siyang nakikitang true na condition, automatically, kung ano yung laman ng else natin, which is yan ang false, babasahin niya yan. Yan ang i-display niya kaagad. Okay? So, yan yung function ng else natin. Pag nagiging false yung mga condition lahat dito, so automatically, kung ano yung nasa laman ng else, yun ang i-display ng compiler. So, pwede din natin siya lagyan dito, return 0. Return 0 guys, that is to terminate the execution of your program. Okay, yan yung function ng return 0 natin. So, as you can see guys, yung value ng grades natin is fixed. Okay, fixed na yun siya. So, what if yung system hingi siya ng grades or from first grading, second grading, or third to fourth, din kukunin niya yung average, then sa kanya i-determine dito sa baba if saan na belong yung grades na yon. Okay, so we'll try that one. So, tanggalin natin yung value na given na nilagay natin sa variable na grades. So, dito, cout muna tayo guys para yung system hihingi sa user ng input. Okay? Please input grades. Yun. Then, dito, para pwede tayo makapag-input guys, you can use cin. Ayan. Baliktarin natin, dalawang greater than. Tapos, tatawagin natin yung variable na grades. Ito siya. Itapon natin siya dito para kung ano yung ini-input natin dito, si variable grades ang mag-hold doon. para sa kanila. Ayan, grade. Siya yung mag-hold kung ano yung na-input natin na number or na grades. 90. So, ang variable grades ang mag-hold para sa kanya para itapon niya sa different conditions natin sa baba. So, we'll try. Yan. Input. So, try to run. Naka-double tayo guys sa variable double. So, that means we can input a decimal number. Run, compile, and run. So, we'll see. Ayun. So, our system, humingi siya ng input from the user. So, titingnan natin guys kung saan mabibilong yung, for example, meron tayong 84.5. So, that means round off din siya magiging 85. Saan siya bilong? Sa good dapat ang lalabas dyan. Ayun. Good ang lumabas. Kasi, pag i-round off mo ang 84.5, magiging 85 yan siya, which is, dito siya na belong na condition. Ito yung binabasa ng compiler. Okay? So, another input tayo. Run again. Run natin F11. That is the shortcut key to run your program using C++. Like for example, guys, we have 74.3. 74.3. So, that will be failed. Okay? Bagsak siya. Hindi umabot yung grado niya. Okay? So, dito pa lang sa first condition, binabasa na niya. Nakikita na niya yung true condition. That's why, ang statement or yung cout na field natin, yun ang pinalabas ng compiler. So, we'll try another input guys, F11. Yan, we will test our program if there is an error. So, please input grades. Like for example, we have 79.5. So, yung 79.5, hahanapin niya yan dito. So, mabilong yan siya sa good. Ayun. Kasi, i-round off natin siya. That is already 80, which is less than 85 yan siya. Okay, nakuha natin yun siya, guys. Then, next. What if mag-input tayo ng 4 input na grades, first grading, second grading, third, and fourth, then kukunin niya yung average. Ayan. So, dito, dagdag tayo. I-change natin yung or dagdag na lang tayo ng variable, no? Ito yung sa first, ito yung second, ito yung sa first, second, third, then the fourth. Okay. So, please input first grading. First grading. Ayan. Then, kukunin natin tong variable na first dito. Kasi yan ang first input natin. First. And then, the second grading. Okay, another cout. Another cout, guys. Please input second grading. Ayun. So, yung sa second grading natin, ang variable na mag-hold sa kanya, in tayo dito, that is for a second. Ayan. Then, another cout for our please input third grading. Ayan. Then, another in. Then, tatawagin natin si third. Ayan. Semicolon. Don't forget that one. Then, another input. Cout tayo. Ayan. Please input fourth grading. Ayan. Then, tatawagin natin yung variable in na variable na fourth. Ayun. Then, after that, dito na naman natin magagamit yung variable na grades para sa computation natin. So, you can add like this guys, C out, pwede natin siya lagyan ng separations or direct tayo. So, grade is equal to or equals open and close parentheses semicolon. Tatawagin natin yung first na variable. Ayan. First, i-add muna natin yan silang apat. Kukunin natin yung second na to, ilalagay natin dito. Yan, plus the variable na third plus yung variable na fourth. Then after that, para makuha natin yung average, i-divide natin siya into 4. So saan ang galing yung 4? That is came from the first, second, third, and fourth. Okay? Divide natin siya into 4. So para lalabas yung average natin, you can add here C out, double quote. Yan. Lagay natin. Okay, so ito pala siya. Ito yung ano natin, divide. So after that, we'll try to run. Yan yung mali. Execute, compile, and run. We'll see. Please input first grading. Okay, like for example, you have a 77.5, 80, 88, 86.5. So your average is 83 and that is good. Tingnan natin saan banda yung good na yan. Ayun, no? So 83 yung average, kinukuha niya yung average na 83 and display niya yung good kasi yung 83 is under or less than sa condition natin na 85. So ayan. So para ma-separate yan siya guys, para klaro yung ano natin, you can add this part. Okay, your average. Tapos you can add here and L. Ayan. And then you can add also in this part C out para klaro yung ano natin, double quote. Lagyan natin siya ng ganito. Ayun. So tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. So F11 compile and run. 78, 85, 80, 89. So, yan, your average is 83 and that is good. So, kulang dito para mababa, separate talaga siya and L. Ayun, para yung next line, bababa yan siya. Yun yung function ng and L natin. Then, pwede natin to siya ibalik guys ha. Yung grades natin. I-transfer natin yun siya punta dito ulit. Ayan. And then, remove this one para mag-accept siya ng decimal number na average. F11 tayo. Compile and run. Yan. Like for example, 78.55, 80.5, 89.6, or 90.7. So, try natin. Ayun, your average is 84.8. That is also good. Okay? That is under sa good pa rin siya. So, like for example, we'll try or we'll test 105 ang grades niya. 100, 102, 1,000. Ayan. So, invalid grades. Your average is 326.75, which is invalid grades yung lumabas. So, that's all guys. I hope you learned something with this tutorial using if and else if condition. So, ayan siya. Review natin yung mga codes natin. That's how we're going to use that one. Okay? So, hope you like it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video tutorials to come.